Before we start learning prenatal yoga, please make a note. All the asanas and exercises shown in my video are for normal pregnancy only, that is, pregnancy without any complications. You can start these workouts in your 4th month. Anyone with low-lying placenta or any other complications should consult your gynec before starting pregnancy yoga. If your doctor allows, it is preferred that you exercise under the supervision of a certified trainer.
Namaste and welcome to Yoga Mantra. This is Bhavika. Today we'll be learning 2 new asanas in prenatal yoga series. These are very important asanas and very simple ones. It is very commonly seen that you have a lot of backaches and back pains during pregnancy, especially during the early stage of pregnancy. Well, during pregnancy, your ligaments tend to become very soft. Now, these ligaments, as they become soft, they stretch, due to which there is strain that is being caused on the joints of your lower back, okay, and your pelvis. That is the reason you get these pains. We have a solution for it. Let's see. Our first asana is cat-cow, or what we call is cat pose and cat stretch. So you're going to start with sitting in Vajrasana like this, okay, with one elbow distance between your knees. So you're going to measure one elbow. So one elbow distance from the tip of your finger, the middle finger, to your elbow. So you're going to measure it between your knees. One elbow distance forward. So both the hands you're going to place them forward like this. Plus you'll take one palm distance and bring your hips in the center. You will adjust your knees accordingly and do a cat stretch. So basically your middle back goes in. So this is your middle back, the thoracic. Your lower back, that is lumbar region, goes out, and your cervical goes up. And you're going to stretch and breathe. So you're going to close your eyes and breathe. Feel the stretch on your spine. So let's hold in for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do a cow pose. So cat, this was cat. Let's do cow, or what we call is cat stretch. So you're going to very slowly push the upper back towards the ceiling and look at your knees or your navel. And you're going to push. So you hump. Basically the upper back is going up towards the ceiling. You hump like a camel and hold. Let's hold in for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Okay, so you can hold these postures, or you can also go a little bit of this dynamic movement. So inhale, cat pose, look up. Exhale, cat stretch, look down. Inhale, cat pose, look up. Exhale, cat stretch, look down. Inhale up, cat pose. Exhale, cat stretch, look down. And you can relax. So basically this asana is going to help you relieve the back pain to a lot of extent. You should practice this. You can practice this in the morning, evening, or whenever you want to go to bed, or when you're getting up from your bed in the morning. This is going to help you relieve your back pain to a lot of extent. Next asana that we are doing is Parvatasana, or what we call is mountain pose. So we start with sitting in Sukhasana. You're going to stretch both the arms by the side. Inhaling, in 3 counts we go up. So inhale, 1, raise your hands up, 2, 3. Stretch, you're going to join your palms and breathe absolutely normal. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling, you're going to come down. 1, rotate your arms completely. 2 and 3. We'll do one more round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Stretch and breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. See how I'm rotating my arms all the way from behind. And we come down and relax. It is also going to give you relief from the back pain. Also, it will help you correct any postural defects. Parvatasana gives you a lot of oxygen to your body. So again, it's a must-do asana during pregnancy. Another asana that we can do to get relief from your back pain is child's pose, or what we call is balasana. So we start with sitting in Vajrasan and you're going to keep your knees apart. Distance between your knees. पैरों के बीच में, घुटनों के बीच में हम बड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रखेंगे और धीरे धीरे हम हाथों को नीचे स्लाइड करेंगे. अब ये डिस्टेंस कितना बड़ा रखना है डिपेंड्स अपॉन आप कितने महीने के प्रेग्नेंट हो. Okay, so if you are in your first trimester, second trimester and your abdomen is comfortable going down, you can have this distance. If you are in your 7th or 8th month, you can have even wider distance and then go down. Okay, so we're going to go down with your elbows down like this and try and rest and relax and breathe. So you can stay here for nice 10 seconds or maybe 20 seconds or 30 seconds and relax. If you're comfortable, you can also stretch your arms further and try and bring your forehead down. Further comfortable, you can also bring your chin and your chest down and stretch. So with this asana, you also get an inner thigh stretch. It also acts like a hip opener. Now, people who can't go down comfortably, you can use a pillow like this, okay, and stretch your arms up forward and you're going to bring your forehead down and rest your forehead on the pillow. So you can rest and relax in this posture. As and when your hips and your body becomes flexible, you can remove the pillow and relax. So we did cat pose, cat stretch or cat and cow. We did Parvatasana and then another very relaxing asana, that is child's pose or Balasana. All these asanas are going to give you relief from your back pain during all your months of the pregnancy. So please go and practice it. Let me know, give me a feedback. Any queries, any questions, please put it down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get my latest updates. We'll see you soon in Yoga Mantra with new asanas in prenatal yoga. Namaste. Thank you all.